Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the Magic Eraser feature in Canva. Magic Eraser is an AI feature in Canva that is used to essentially isolate an object, and then later you could remove that object from a photo. So this is extremely useful, and it's making photo editing a lot quicker, because back in the day we have to isolate the object manually, we have to select the object, and even that the result is not great. So with this new feature, erasing an element or an object from a photo is going to be a lot quicker and easier. So if you want to remove, let's say, an object, you have to upload the picture to your Canva document. And after that, you want to click on the picture and you want to click edit. And after that, on the Magic Studio, you want to click Magic Eraser. So click on it. And let's say I want to remove this ball. So there are two different modes. The first mode is the brush mode. So basically you have to manually select this object. You don't have to do it perfectly because the AI will understand the object that you are trying to remove. So when you do that, when you click on it, the AI will understand that even though the selection is not perfect, it understands that you want to remove this object. So this is going to be a lot quicker process. And this is the result. Do I like it? Absolutely not. So let's try a different method, which is by using the click mode. So I'm going to click reset first. And let's try the click mode. And hopefully this one will give us a different result. So what's happening now is AI actually will scan the picture and try to give you some objects that you can click or you can select. So you can click this ball. You can also click the person. So as you can see here, when you click on it and then you can click erase, it will remove that object that you select. Okay, now we just have to wait until it finishes. This usually will take less than 20 seconds. And I think the result is slightly better compared to the previous method, although again, it is not perfect. So that was by using the Magic Eraser feature. But this is not the end of the video, because there is another feature that you could use to do the same, but maybe slightly better, because that object is not completely gone. You can basically move the object somewhere else. So let's try something else. Let's click the image, go to the edit menu again, and you want to click Magic Wrap. And now I do recommend using the click method because it's just a lot quicker and cleaner. And I'm going to click on this ball and I'm going to click grab. So what's going to happen is the AI will take this picture of a ball from the rest of the image, and it's going to be an independent picture, which later we can modify or we can move it somewhere else. So for example, I could put it here, I could put it here, I could put it here. There are a lot of things that you can do, because now it is no longer part of the original image, and I personally use this method a lot more compared to just removing the Magic Eraser. So that's basically it. That's how you can use the Magic Eraser feature in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.